Hello everyone, welcome to National Defence Institute. In this video, we will discuss about the notification of Indian Army of SSC TECH Entry. Let's dive into the video. Initially, we'll discuss about the eligibility of the candidate. A candidate of male and female must be unmarried and should have an engineering degree. And this SSC TECH Entry is also for the widows of Indian Armed Forces defence personnel who died in harness for the grant of short service commission in Indian Army. The course will commence in the month of October 2023 at OTA Chennai Officer Training Academy. So regarding the age limit, a candidate must be born between 2nd of July 1996 and 1st of July 2003. The educational qualification, a candidate should have an engineering degree or he or she must be in the final year of engineering degree. The online application will be open at 11th of January 2023 and will be closed on 9th of February 2023. So SSC TECH Entry has a vacancy of 175 men vacancies, 14 women and 2 widow vacancies. And with respect to the engineering stream, Civil Department has 49 men and 3 women vacancies. Computer Science Department has 42 men and 5 women vacancies. Electrical has 17 men and 1 women vacancy. Electronic has 26 men and 2 women vacancies. And the mechanical department has 32 men and 3 women vacancies. And the other engineering streams has 9 men vacancies. And with respect to the widows, you have 2 vacancies overall. One for the technical, which is if you have to be a graduate of BE Tech stream, and one is of non-technical, which you can be a graduate in any other streams. You'll be getting trained at OTA. So the training of the selected candidates will be detailed for the training at OTA, Officer Training Academy, which is in Chennai, according to their position in the final order of merit, and up to the number of available vacancies and subject to meeting all eligibility criteria, you will be getting trained over there. So the duration of the training will be 49 weeks. Meanwhile, the candidates will neither be allowed to marry during the period of training, nor he or she will be allowed to live with their parents or guardians. The candidates must not be marrying until they complete the full training at OTA, which is the Officer Training Academy. The training at OTA is at government expense. All candidates who successfully complete the pre-commission training at OTA will be awarded the postgraduate diploma in Defence Management and Strategic Studies by the University of Madras. And the cost of training is 15,055. The tenure of the engagement, you will be having 10 years. You will be serving as an officer in Indian Army for 10 plus 4 years. And this 4 years is actually your extension period, extension of your service. So this extension will be based on your opinion as well as the eligibility, and you have to meet the criteria of the eligibility over there in Indian Army. And liability of the service, officer may be granted short service commission in any arm or service and will be liable for service in any part of the world on selected appointments as decided by the integrated headquarters of Ministry of Defence, which is Army, from time to time. Excuse me. So this is actually the pay scale of Indian Army and also the ranking structure of Indian Army. As an officer, this is your first position of your Indian Army officer, which is lieutenant, captain, major and so on, and this is actually the basic pay 5600, and these are the pay scale from lieutenant, captain, major and so on. And how to apply? First, you should make a registration in joinindianarmy.nic.in. In that you have to select the officer entry and you have to apply and log in that. And once you have logged in into the Join Indian Army website, you will be allowed to register it. So you will be registering for your SSC TECH Entry over there. So you have to fill all your information. So after completing all your information, you will be sent a call letter from the SSB board where you have been shortlisted. And after this, you can see the selection procedure. Shortlisting of application is the first step once you have done your registration, and you will be called by the SSB board, and you will be attending the SSB interview for 5 days. And once you're done with your interview procedures, once you have selected or recommended by the SSB board, you will be sent to the medical examination. So once you're done with the medical examination, once you're fit to join the defense forces, you will be undergoing the merit list, where your marks will be calculated as per the vacancies. So after you're done with the merit list, if you're inside the merit list, coming inside the vacancies, you'll be getting trained at Indian Army in the OTA. So once you're done once you've completed the training at OTA, you'll be coming out of flying colors as an Indian Armed Force officer. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Kindly follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter at National Defence Institute. Thank you. Jai Hind.